to third quadrant now. So here on the third quadrant we have our value, and this is the first, second, and third. And the third, you know, is going to be 180 is less than x, less than theta, less than 270. So our values are 200, 250, 222, 192, 195, 350, 250, sorry, 250. So these are the values. So it falls here. So the value falls here. So we are talking about the angle from here down to this place is what we are referring as our theta. And of course we want to link it to our x. Don't forget this x is negative, and your y as well is negative. Don't forget this is minus y, your y is negative, and of course you have your z, like a z. So from here, what will this angle be if this one is 180? If this one is the theta, and don't forget from here to here is 180, what will this angle be? This angle, what will it be? I feel it's when you add this angle. So if this is we have this one. So it's, I feel if you had this value, that means like this everything here, you subtract it from 180, you get this. Look at this again. If you subtract everything here, like 250, if you subtract it from 180, you will get this one. So I think I can call this one theta minus 180 degrees. That's how we get that. So of course we have other things that we use, but here that is definitely what we are going to be using here. So from here we can check our sine, cosine, and tangent. That is sine theta minus 180. So from here we have opposite against hypotenuse, that is minus y over z, and our cos theta minus 180, which is going to be minus x against z, that is minus x over z, and tan theta minus 180, which will definitely give you minus y against minus x, that is minus y against minus x. Minus cancel minus, which becomes positive eventually. This one is negative, this one is negative, this one is positive. So it's tangent that is positive here, that is t. Don't forget here it is a, and here is s, and on the third we have a t. So that is what we have here. Let's see what we have. For instance, we have tan 250, tan 232, tan 240, cos 240, and that. So once we do is you remove 240 from here. Let's say cos 240, for instance, cos 240 minus 180. If you are looking for cos 240, so we subtract from 180, you have 60 degrees. So we have cos 60 degrees, and you understand the fact that cos is negative on third quadrant. This is 240, obviously on third, so it's negative on third quadrant. So your answer cos 60 is half, so we have a minus 0.5 here. So that is that. So that is what we have for third quadrant. So let's move to the fourth quadrant, then we can check few examples.